In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Epic Games Launcher on your Windows computer. So first thing we're going to do is just open up an internet browser, and you need to type in the search engine Epic Games and press enter. Now scroll down and click on this website here, store.epicgames.com, and this will take you over to the official Epic Games website. Now from here we can click on download in the top right hand side, and that's going to download this application into our downloads folder. So now all we need to do is open up the File Explorer on your computer, and you can click on downloads in the left hand side, and then you can just double click on the Epic installer to go and open up this application. Now it's going to ask where you want to install this application to, so I'm just going to keep this as my C drive and click on install. Now you can wait a few moments while that goes and installs this to your system. Now, once it's finished installing, it's also going to download any updates relating to the Epic Games. So once again, you'll just need to wait while this process carries out. Once you've finally gone through all of the steps, you can open up your start menu and just search for Epic Games and click on the Epic Games Launcher. Now from here, you'll need to go and sign in to your Epic Games account. You can use your email address and password, or you can sign in with one of the social links below. If you don't already have an Epic Games account, you can scroll down to the bottom and click on create account. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.